Hello, my name is Shantanu Pandey. I am legal intern at Lexis Company. Today I am going to talk about the theory of Karl Marx, which is known as the Marxism theory. Karl Marx developed a socio-economic and political theory known as Marxism, which is often referred to as Marxism or Marxist theory. Marxist theory is rooted in the analysis of historical materialism and class struggle. Here are some key aspects of Marx theory. Historical materialism. Marx proposed that the driving force behind social change is the conflict between different social classes. He argued that the development of the human society is determined by the material condition of production, such as a means of production, tools, technology, resources, and the rational and production of ownership and control. Case struggle. Marx believed that throughout history, society has been developed into opposing classes, such as bourgeoisie, capitalist class, and the proletariat working class. They have conflict interests. He viewed the history of human civilization as series of class struggle, which are opposed class eventually rise up against the ruling class in revolution. Labor theory of value. Marx introduced the labor theory of value, asserting that the value of commodity is driven from the amount of labor required for its production. He argued that the capitalists exploit workers by paying them less than the value of they produce, resulting in the surplus value, which is based on the capitalist rule. Alienation. Marx discussed the concept of alienation, where the work is capitalistic system because disconnected from the products of their labor, the act of labor itself, their fellow worker, and their human essence. He believed that the alienation of consequences of the capital mode of production. Critic in capitalism. Marxists criticized capitalism as a system that inherently leads to inequality, exploitation, and social alienation. He argued for the abolition of private ownership of the means of production and the establishment of the classes society where resources are collectively owned and wealth and distribution according to them. It is important to note that the Marx theory has been subjected to various interpretation and adoption, and they have influenced numerous social, economic, and political movements throughout the history. Thank you for any doubt.